Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, and you can do it using the dialer, for example. And here let's simply find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, it should be in the middle, and tap on this profile picture. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option. And here you can decide where you want to complete this action. So I will pick the gallery. And here we've been transferred to our album, so let's simply find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this highlighted square, we can change the position of it. We unfortunately cannot zoom in or out the photo, so just position it like you want, because it is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on save. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. So let's tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here, we've got our contact, and this photo will be visible, for example, during the incoming call from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.